folks, this is Damien here with Bestcare. I'm here to show you how to operate the STA 450 Stand Assist product. This video is intended to show you how to operate the entire family of STA product, the 450 and the 400, the short version, and the version with the padded knee brace. So let's go ahead and start with the base of this device. You can see that this system rolls around on 4 casters. There's a couple of locks on the back. To lock the caster, you push down on the tab, push again to unlock it. The STA 450 has a base that opens and closes. Pushing the foot pedal opens the base, pushing it the opposite direction closes it. As we work our way up, you can see that we have a couple of padded knee braces. That's where the patient's knees will rest when we use the device. There's an optional one-piece padded knee brace that you can order for the device as well. Working our way up, you can see that the handles here are what we use to maneuver the lift. These are the seat pads. These will flip down and behind the person when we stand them up in the lift. And finally, at the very back of the STA products, there's a hook here. This hook is designed for an optional support strap that can be used with the patient to help keep them more supported in a standing position. Now let's show you how we use this with a person. Now it's time for me to show you how to use the STA 450 with the transfer strap. The transfer strap is designed to assist that patient into that standing position without them using so much of their own strength. So let's go ahead and approach the patient with the STA 450, open the base, put the feet on the foot platform, bring the knee base as close as we can to the knees, lock the wheels. Grab our transfer strap, and you can see here that the transfer strap has a piece that slides in and out here. It's blue. We want to align that blue piece right to the center of the person's back. Now we're going to take one side of the transfer strap, we're going to bring it up enough that we can connect it to the hook here on the STA 450. We can actually adjust how high we want to stand the person by the shorter length of the strap. Now the patient just puts their hands in the normal position they would when they were standing up with the STA 450, but I'm going to grab this other side of the transfer strap and pull it, and you can kind of see how I'm helping to get that person standing. Once I got the person up, I just take it, hook it onto the other side, keep the person supported. I can unlock the wheels, flip the seat pads down, and relieve some of the stress on the transfer strap. And now we've made a transfer with the transfer strap and the STA 450. So the STA product is not only available in the 450-pound model, which has the base that opens and closes, but it's available in the 400-pound model. The difference is the 400-pound model, as you can see, has a fixed base. So the base doesn't open and close. It's designed to be narrow enough to go between wheelchair wheels, wide enough to go around a toilet, low enough to go under the bed. So in a lot of cases, you can utilize the fixed base and consume less floor space for the transfer. The STA products are also available in a standard size and a short size. The short size is very important for you to use if you have a very short person, under 5 feet, and you're trying to use the STA product. And this represents the size of the short version. And last, we have the optional padded knee brace. So, if you decide you need something a little more padded and comfortable in a single piece, you can add the optional single-piece knee brace. And that can provide a little more comfort and versatility for the product if you need that feature. So now let's go ahead and show you how to make a transfer with a lift. Now it's time for me to show you how to make a transfer with the STA 450 from the wheelchair to the bed. So we take our STA 450, approach the wheelchair, open the base if necessary to get around the wheelchair, roll up to the patient, patient's feet go on the foot platform, knees go as close to the knee brace as possible, lock the casters, Patient grabs onto the handle, pulls themselves up into a standing position. Then we flip down the seat pads to secure the patient. Close the base back down if necessary. Take our patient over to the bed. Lock the casters again. Patient takes their weight off of the seat pads, flip them out of the way. So that's how we transfer a patient from the wheelchair to the bed.